Okay, I'm gonna get started. If somebody thumbs up in the chat or say hi to know that that you guys can hear me, that would be great. Uh, thank you very much. All right, so we're gonna get started talking about sustainability with PCNA today. Switch screens. Okay, so let's start off with EcoSmart. So EcoSmart is a platform at PCNA for initiatives that are related to sustainability and corporate and social responsibility. EcoSmart has been a strategy that we have committed to, and it continues to gain lots of momentum. What started as a trend in the industry or in the world really became a movement thanks to the millennials and the Gen Zs. And as a company, so far with our EcoSmart platform, we have prevented bottles and 150 pounds of cotton from entering landfills, thanks to the response from our incredible customers like yourselves. Our product assortment continues to grow, and we are up to over 150 products today covering different categories, from the initial launch of just 19 products back in 2019. We're more serious about this initiative, and we know that it extends beyond just the product. We've initiated reductions in packaging waste and introduced recycled packaging and poly bags into our plans, as well as reviewed master carton and moving to printing on FSC paper, to just name a few items. Perspective, we have worked diligently to source recycled PET, cotton, bamboo fiber, wheat straw, and PLA with factories that reflect our high compliance standards. Our quality has improved significantly given the strong growth we've experienced, and we've also built strong relationships with brands that support these initiatives. Some of our current brand partnerships that have a real focus on sustainability and eco are, one of them is Welly, which does vacuum insulated bamboo drinkware, and they donate 1% of sales to clean water, bringing clean water to those funding wells and clean water projects in Malawi, Ethiopia, Bangladesh, and more. Parkland is a bag line originating out of Vancouver, Canada, and the exterior of bags for Parkland bags are made out of 100% recycled water bottles. And some brands that we are partnered with that you wouldn't necessarily think about instantly for sustainability are Skull Candy, which launched this past year, that we just launched this past year, that have committed to an upcycled program that refurbishes returned and damages product to reduce landfills. Blue Sign is a system that provides safer and more space for people to work in and live. And Blue Sign, each textile's path on a manufacturing process, making improvements at every stage from factory floor to finish. Blue Sign changes the environmental impact for textile goods. And then we've got Camelback, who has committed by 2025 that all will be designed to reduce their climate impact with the safest materials possible. And look at the future with brands. We are excited that we are partnering this July. So our commitment continues with eco-friendly partners. The first being Trade, one of the fastest apparel brands in North America. It's a certified B Corp, and their value proposition is the most aggressive that we've seen, committing to planting 10 trees for every item sold. They've already planted trees, goal being to hit 1 billion by 2030. The team good, better, best assortment of sustainable fleece and apparel, as well as a few blankets. In housewares, we will be launching Akobu, a French brand that launched in 2003. The line began with bamboo, but has evolved over the years to introduce sustainable materials such as cork, rPET, food grade silicone, and organic cottons. So we're really excited to be able to partner with these brands in July. In addition to sourcing product in a responsible fashion, developing partnerships with brands have the same path for what we do, and working on our carbon footprint, our team wanted to take a step further in partnership 1% for the planet. 1% of the planet brings dollars and doers together to accelerate smart environmental living. 1% of all EcoSmart CNA, both branded and unbranded, go towards these two nonprofit charities, One Tree Planted and Well Aware. So why is eco important for promo business? Basically because it's important to your end clients. Research shows that there's a growing demand, especially in the Gen Z category, for sustainable eco products. And Gen Z is coming up to be one of the largest consumer bases in the US and the global economy. And people are willing to pay for it. And the good thing about PCNA's product is, while it's eco, there isn't that dollar sign that, in the past has been attached to those types of products. So even though they're willing to pay for it, we've got a ton of affordable options in the eco line. And just to touch on supply chain, because we know that inventory and supply chain is one of the most important things right now. And over the last year or so of the pandemic, supply chain has really suffered between all suppliers. So at PCNA, we are very committed to investing heavily in our top styles and trending categories. So just to provide an example, we did an additional $1 million investment in hard goods product to support our categories like EcoSmart. And in the apparel side, we did a $5 million investment to support our top 8 styles as well as top 25. And just to show you on the screen here as an example, these are all eco products that we have. So we've got Amos Polo. As you can see, we've got 40,000 units in stock currently, with 35 units on order between now and July. For the recycled and basket, we've got 35 units in stock 35,000 units in stock currently, with another 8K expected end of July. And something like bamboo fiber cutlery set, we've got 28,000 in stock currently, with 14K expected end of August. So not only are we working on supply chain for all of our product, EcoSmart is definitely very important to us, and making sure that that is stocked well. So I'm just going to dive into some eco products and putting them by verticals, so you can kind of get what product offering you can give your clients. So here are our top picks for education. So again, you see that Amos Polo, that's well stocked. It is made out of recycled PET. So it is polyester, but has a very soft feeling to it. In terms of brands, Arctic Zone is another one we have here, with a recycled and lunch cooler. So with people going back to school, hopefully, people are going to have to start bringing their lunches. So there's a great opportunity there. Top picks for business and finance. I'd like to point out the blanket here, the Field & Co. 100% recycled PET Sherpa blanket. This one is incredibly well stocked. And in the finance industry, in the business industry, gifting is always a big thing, and blankets just fly off the shelf for gifting. So this is an option. Something like our Dej Eco Knit Half Zip is also RPET, and it is a very clean professional look. But it also works for working out. So it's kind of a 9 to 5, 5 to 9 type garment. For top picks for outdoor lifestyle, definitely look at something like the Sierra Eco Nut hoodie. It has a built-in snood for face protection, as well as it's made from recycled material. So it's great. I've gone for runs in it. It's really comfortable and breathable. And why not pair it with something like the Camelback Eco Rogue Hydration Pack to keep you hydrated while you're doing those hikes. Top picks for virtual conferences. So like I said, it doesn't always have to be expensive when you're looking at eco product or sustainable product. We have got tons of stuff from our bullet line, like the recycled convention tote, or the Nash Wheat Straw ballpoint pen, which is one of our top sellers and very well stocked. And then just some other favorites. I really like the Parkland's Southland computer backpack. It's a very trendy rucksack format, and Parkland before is one of those retail brands we partner with. And then looking at something like the Asgard Eco Knit jacket, which I'm currently wearing, super comfortable. Something that you would never know is an eco product. It is very top quality, very comfortable, great for wearing at the office and or going out for a walk or a run. So you really can't go wrong. So I just wanted to dive in quickly to 2 little case studies just to kind of give you an example. So this one here, a global consumers manufacturer wants a new delivery mechanism for its new distributors. The ask, present recycled product that will have a life after the event. So we would propose the recycled cotton twill grocery tote from Bullet. So it's made with approximately 70% 80% recycled cotton and 20% to 30% rPET. And it's very well stocked. And the benefit of putting this forward is it donates over $1,000 to 1% for the planet. So it's got a great give back. And another one showing the Zero again, which is a great piece. So a biotech firm was seeking 500 lightweight hoodies and 500 masks for a series of company appreciation event. After discovering the robust sustainability initiatives in which the end user was engaged, the distributor positioned an eco-friendly lightweight hoodie with a mask/snood built in, and it won the business over to competitors. So the important thing here is to do your homework, know if your client has some sort of sustainability needs, and then to check out what they're offering. And again, the proceeds of this are donated to 1% for the planet. So the good thing about all the product that I've just talked about is we do have a series of EcoSmart collections on commonsku, anything from like the retail Parkland to just apparel to the entire EcoSmart category, as well as those verticals that I talked about today. I have made a category for each. Right now, I'll admit it is just the styles from the presentation, but I will be sure to fill those so that when you're working on your presentations, that you will be able to add those directly to your presentations. And lastly, we also have tons of EcoSmart resources at PCNA.com, pre-built flyers that you can put your own information on or just send out to your client that are end user friendly. So be sure to check those out as well if you're looking to promote eco. And that is all I have. 4 minutes to spare. So let me look at the questions. Can you share this info with us electronically? I don't see why not. This is also being recorded, so there will be a recorded link for you, but I will make sure that we can get you the presentation as well. How many of the suppliers in the breakout sessions sell directly to the end user? I can't answer for the other suppliers, but we do not sell directly to the end user. We are only to distributors. And Jen, hey Jen, yes, I will be able to share this via email, so I'll know who is on here gets a copy. If there are any more questions, happy to take them. Otherwise, that is the presentation for the breakout session today.